guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Yumi. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make 3 simple and easy dishes with shio koji. In the previous video, I showed you how to make shio koji, so today I'll show you pickles and grilled chicken and salmon carpaccio using the shio koji. Okay, let's get started. Let's have a look at the ingredients for making pickles. You just need cucumbers and radish and shio koji. For more details, please see the description below. First, cut the cucumbers. I think it will pickle faster if you peel off some of the skin. Cut the cucumbers into 4 or 5 mm pieces. After cutting, put them in a Ziploc bag and add 1 or 1.5 tablespoons of shio koji and mix well with your hands like this. Then close it by pulling out all the air. Separate the radish from the leaves. Cut the radish in half and the bigger one is quarters. Then put them in a Ziploc bag. Cut the leaves into bite-sized pieces about 4 centimeters. Then put them in a Ziploc bag. Add 1 or 1.5 tablespoons of shio koji and mix well with your hands like this. Then close it by pulling out all the air. Same with the leaves, but the leaves should be mixed with your hand in the back like this and close it like the others. Put in the refrigerator for a minimum 2 hours. Let's serve it up. If you think it's too runny, squeeze it a little and serve. If it's too salty, rinse it with a little water and squeeze it lightly. Now for the chicken. I use chicken thighs, but you can use chicken breast or pork as well. For the chicken thighs, break off the thickest part and flatten it out a bit to ensure even cooking. Put the chicken in a Ziploc bag and add 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of shio koji. Then mix well with the hands like this and close it by pulling out all the air. Put in the refrigerator for a minimum 2 hours. Remove from fridge and lightly wipe off any excess shio koji on the surface with a paper towel. You can grill them without wiping them off, but excess shio koji can make the chicken burn easier. Put olive oil and garlic in a fry pan and heat it up. When the garlic turns golden brown, remove from heat. I like to use garlic, but you can choose not to as well. Cook the chicken at the medium-low heat. When it starts to brown, turn it over and cover with a lid. Cook over low heat for 1 to 2 minutes. Turn it over every 1 to 2 minutes. Repeat a couple of times depending on the size of your chicken. My chicken was ready in 4 to 5 minutes. When it's done, cut into bite-sized pieces. Okay, let's serve it up. The pickles and the chicken turned out great. When you are busy, you can marinate your veggies and meat the night before, and the next day they are ready to eat. You don't need to use any sauce as it is well seasoned with SHIO KOJI. If you like, you can put the meat in with a little lemon or yuzu kosho for an even better taste. いただきます。美味しい。Before you go, a quick recipe. Spread 1 teaspoon of SHIO KOJI evenly over the sashimi-grade salmon. Top with sliced garlic, lemon, and parsley. Drizzle with olive oil and refrigerate for half an hour. It's a salmon carpaccio with SHIO KOJI. SHIO KOJI brings out the umami of the ingredients, making veggies, meat, and fish taste even better. I hope to show you more recipes using SHIO KOJI sometime soon. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions and your thoughts. Alright, see you in my next video. Bye! ほなまたね!